And now for the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma maintained that the government is concerned with the implementation of the roster system for the time being. Speaking to reporters after the meeting yesterday, he said that the roster system is not meant to benefit any community but to ensure implementation of reservation policy in letter and spirit. He added that reservation policy is applied when posts are advertised. According to him, the reservation policy is a different subject altogether. As for the MDA meeting, the Chief Minister said that the government was able to clarify some points raised by the MDA partners during the meeting.
Strictly for MDA MLAs.
Roster system allows the implementation of a reservation policy in letter and spirit and allows the exact schedule of the post to be appointed. That's what a roster is, and hence a reservation policy without a roster will not implement the reservation policy in true letter and spirit. But it's the question of discussing reservation policy is completely different subject.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that the Committee on